today. You were awkward in high school, a little unsure how to case of the clumsies that needed a cue. The most precious gems have their roots in the rock, just like my hero, the man that I love. Made a number of blunders, but haven't we all? Still you always work wonders with your back to the wall. Though I'm duly impressed with this mystic of stuff, it's just a small part of the man that I love. There've been hits, a few misses, one or two in-betweens, a couple of kisses, and some devilish dreams. We fought monstrous battles, made some narrow escapes, but I'm much more in awe of your character traits. 'Cause you're gentle and kind, and you never give up. This is what makes you the man that I love. I thank Zeus for this gift from Olympus above. My number one hero, the man that I love. Oh, special delivery.